Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this. Oh, sorry. This. First off, you want to even about sorry, I'm going to back up. About this. About this long. And second of all, you're going to start. No. Yeah, there we go. Then you're going to go over here and do the same thing. Then you're going to do this. Until you have something that should look like this. And yeah, that's it. Stop the video at any time when you want to see how to do it, and yeah, that's how you make a balloon animal.